Hi guys, this is Akhil from Shivika e-learning. Today we're gonna discuss how to create a new position in SuccessFactor. So let's start. So before moving on with the navigations and how we can do it in the tool, before I want to discuss few things like position can be created in four ways, using four ways in SuccessFactor. First would be through manage data, but I don't recommend it to use, and nobody recommends you to use it because it's towards users perspective. So next it should be created through manage position. Third is the org chart, and fourth would be the import export data. So among this, the best practice would be through org chart, but previous to before to that, we need to create the first position through manage position, then later on we can go through with org chart. So let's start. So we want to create a position. So first transaction would be manage position. So manage positions. Okay, if we go into manage positions, we need to create what we are creating a position, right? So select on the right side position. So these are the fields that need to be filled to create a position through manage position. So first look at the fields. Position code, it's automatically generated through a business rule. Later on we can look into it. At present we need to concentrate on the fields that we need to fill in. Start date, give the start date, like you're hiring on 27th, then give it as a 27th 4th 2020. Job code, select the job code depending upon like what we are creating. Here we will be creating a senior manager or a sales manager, like whatever, like I am taking as a senior manager. So this is the job code, that is senior manager. So next we come to change region. Change region is like, are we creating a new position or we are updating a position which is present already. So we are creating a new position. Select new position. Job title would be senior management, or you can change it as well, as make it as senior manager. Depending upon your need you can do it. So you can copy the same thing and place it in the position title. See, when we are creating a position, when you are in a learning stage, you need to remember the fields, like what exactly they mean. Okay, so here there are few mandatory fields like position code that you cannot fill it over here. Next, start date is a mandatory one. Next, select job code is a mandatory one. Next, position title, and one more, if you come down, there is a mandatory field called status. We'll fill everything, but before to this you just need to understand what are these fields. Okay, so change reason, it's done. Job title done. Position title done. New position code, it's not mandatory, so I'll be leaving it for now. Okay, position type, is it a regular or a contractual? So is it a regular? FTA should be 1. Mass position, no. Critical position, it depends, like if it is a critical position then give it as a critical one, or it is not critical then give it as a not critical. Then we come to this one, parent position. For this senior manager, what is the parent position? Like the hierarchy. If you are an executive, above you there would be a manager or an assistant general manager or a deputy manager. The hierarchy goes like this: general manager, assistant general manager, then deputy manager, then executives or whatever the employees. So we need to give under who this senior manager has to be created. So I'll take it as a VP, vice president. If we come down, we'll have a vice president here, like okay, vice president, depending upon the location, like we can find out the location as well here. So depending upon the location, like in which location you want to create and everything, under who, it depends. Like, see, this is location Amsterdam, this is Boston, and these are finance, VP finance, VP corporate. Depending upon the requirement, depending upon the need, then you need to select all these things. Okay, so I'll not change much, but VP Global People Operation Philadelphia, USA. We'll select something. Wait, just give me a second. Amsterdam, Hong Kong, Taiwan, Season, like Munich. Um, so I'll create under Bangalore, since we are in India, so I'll prefer creating under Bangalore thing. VP to be hired, yes, we are creating a position where we can hire people, that is to be hired. Yes, employee class, we have this many, like is it active, or is it through an agency, or as an apprentice, or assignee, or consultant, contractor. Depending upon the need, you can place it as, I'll place it as an active. Pay grade, job level, and status. When we come to see, this is also regular and temporary. We need to select a regular or a contractual. Okay, so status, active or inactive. So if you want to write a comment, you can write a comment, and then source of selection, source of creation, then recruiter name, who has and the company we have to take the organization name. For example, if you're working for Cognizant, it will be mentioned as a Cognizant over there, then you can do it. I'll take it as Western India. Western India. So which business unit you want to target, then we'll go to like sales, services, or product, depending upon that. If you want to go for retail, then give it as retail. Then division, retail central, retail corporate, northeast, southwest, west, or whatever it is, I'll take it as retail central. Then department, if this division doesn't have department, there would be no selection. If we select something else which has a department, there would be a things that you can select from department, otherwise leave it, no problem. Location, then we go for the location. Location is like in India, right? So take it as India here. So Bangalore, okay, take it as Bangalore. Cost center, depending upon the like which financial thing, like your financial thing, which thing take case of your finance, like is it an IT, Indian comp or benefit, or Indian corp services, depending upon the requirement, depending upon the uh, the company which you are working, you have to select this thing. I'll take it as Indian comp and benefits. So when we come to matrix position relationship, see, we have so many options like additional HR, so matrix manager. This will be reflected in employee, like when you are adding an employee, there is somebody called as a matrix manager. Under that it will show you this one. So later on you will understand what is it exactly. So for this, if we create this in much, like we'll take it as HR manager, and we'll select one more, like wait, HR. depending upon the location we can get the HR as well. So HR should be like anywhere, it might be anywhere, but I'll normally go with Bangalore, because we have take it as Berlin also. It's like just okay. So we have filled all the mandatory fields, so we have to save it. So the position code is automatically generated. So this is the position we have created, and the position code is 3001013, under which like we have selected a job code. Job code is this, under which like under the parent position VP maintenance we have created this. So we will go to org chart, check whether it is created or not. So under admin, go to org chart, here position org chart, search for the under which you have created. Normally like it is already given as recent is senior manager, what we have created, right? So under this we have created, this is a parent position. So click on this VP maintenance, we have created a senior manager. Look at this, VP maintenance Bangalore, we have created a position senior manager. This is the one we have changed from SCNIOR senior manager to SR, like we have changed it, right? So this is the title, and this is for retail central, department, no department, and Bangalore. So as there is no data given regarding the recruiter, if you write any name in the recruiter section, that then it will be reflected here. So explore the options, like you wanna it is because we have given to be hired as yes. Okay, so people can hire new employees to this position. Right click on this, not right click on this, you will get the summary position details. This is the detail, and if we want to move the position in the hierarchy, add to lower level position, add peer in the sense like to the same level, copy the position and create the same position somewhere else, we can do that. So this is how we're gonna create a position in SuccessFactors. So next time if you want to create one more, you can create it from here. Like see, this is add position, you can add directly, you can write it here only, and it will be depending upon the selection what you have given, like is it under this VP only, this parent position, then it will be here, like the chart will show it here just beside senior manager and everything. Hope it is very clear to you, and this is how you're going to create a position in SuccessFactors. Thank you guys, thanks a lot.